I'm Steve Jones, Joint Managing Director of Croft and Jones. This is a project to create a restaurant bar over 3 floors. I think in total we're about 4,500 square feet. The objective is to make it the primary destination in Cheltenham. We've been working on the project for about 8 months now. Well, we engaged Mark from the beginning of the project. My co-managing director, Terry, has worked with Mark previously. Mark had a lot of value to that project, which was a large residential project. And so we brought Mark on board to operate as project manager in terms of this particular development. We needed somebody to actually bring together all the disparate elements. We've got a London-based design agency that have come up with a design that has a number of unique features, bespoke work, and from Terry and I's point of view, we wanted to spend our time focusing on getting the right staff, getting the right marketing, refining the design, and we've been able to do that and leave Mark to identify potential suppliers, put the various packages out to tender, evaluate those tenders, sync all that with a plan, whilst at the same time getting the best deal, best value out of all of the different contractors that we've got on board. I think the key benefits of using Vitruvius are that I think we've optimised the project in terms of timescales and costs. I think the second one is very much that of value in terms of all of the contractors. So there'll be some real specialist contractors that Mark has identified, validated in terms of their capabilities in the job. And also, I think also getting them to commit in terms of the plan and syncing all of that up such that it works on site. And that's a real skill and experience that we've been able to do. I think also another really important one is that of being a buffer. So a number of these suppliers, we're going to have a relationship once we're open. And inevitably on a project like this, there'll be some crunchy conversations along the way. But I think Vitruvius have been able to have those conversations and leave us to enjoy a harmonious relationship, which I think we'll get real benefit from once we are in operation. I would definitely recommend Vitruvius in terms of playing a part in your project. Often I think when somebody's looking at the overall bottom line figure of a project like this, project management is an easy target. And often other professionals involved in the process will often put themselves forward to say we can do the project management, whether that's an architect or designer. But I think actually using Vitruvius, the specialist in this field, means that you get 100% accountability and they are completely agnostic, they don't have any axe to grind, and they're just focused on bringing all of those parties together. I do think Vitruvius in terms of this project have absolutely given us great value in terms of our time frame, because us getting open is really important to us in terms of the profit we want to generate through the business. In terms of fees that we pay Vitruvius, we've recovered those many times over, I think, in terms of both time frame and in terms of the deals that we've actually been able to do in terms of all the contractors that are involved in this project. So, yeah, wholeheartedly recommend that Vitruvius should be the first name on your sheet when it comes down to a project of this type.